Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Facial Extraction Kit is probably one of the most sought-after skincare tools for achieving a clear and radiant complexion, and today, we're diving deep into the world of at-home extractions to determine which kit reigns supreme in effectively removing blackheads, whiteheads, and other impurities without causing damage or irritation. We will be looking at various factors, from the quality of the tools to the ease of use and the overall effectiveness in delivering a spa-like experience from the comfort of your own home. Number 5. JPNK Blackhead Remover Kit. This kit helps remove blackheads, acne, and blemishes, leaving your face clean and smooth. It's designed for precision and control to avoid skin damage. It's made of durable, rust-resistant stainless steel. The anti-slip handles give you excellent control during use. The tools are professionally designed for precision and control. This ensures you can remove blemishes effectively and safely. This convenient kit comes with a leather carrying case. It fits easily in your bag or drawer for easy storage and portability. This kit provides everything you need to remove blackheads and other blemishes. If you have any questions on how to use it, please contact us. With this kit, you can maintain clear and healthy-looking skin. It's a simple yet effective solution for common skin problems. What we like. It has various tools to tackle different blemishes. The durable stainless steel ensures longevity. If you appreciate a complete kit with convenient storage, this is for you. What people say. The tools are well made, with a nice weight to them, and the different sizes shapes make it easy to target specific areas like my nose and chin. The 6 stainless steel tools come in a variety of shapes and sizes, providing versatility to target different areas of the face. The anti-slip handles make them easy to control, allowing for precise extraction without slipping and causing unintended skin damage. Does a better job than tweezers and leaves less obvious redness. Blemishes heal faster. Number 4. PAULA'S Choice 2% BHA Liquid. This is PAULA'S Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. It's a powerful yet gentle exfoliant that will transform your skin. It effectively unclogs pores, reducing the appearance of blackheads and blemishes. Say goodbye to clogged pores. This exfoliant also helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, revealing smoother, more youthful-looking skin. It improves skin texture, leaving it feeling smoother and more refined. You'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's overall appearance. Experience the power of this exfoliant to reveal your most radiant skin yet. It's the secret to a clearer, brighter complexion. Apply it to clean skin once or twice daily. Remember to follow with a moisturizer. What we like. This liquid exfoliant uses salicylic acid to clear pores. It's a chemical exfoliation solution for blackheads and enlarged pores. If you prefer a chemical solution for clearer skin, consider this. What people say. It's moisturizing, and feels sticky for the first 5 to 10 minutes after application but seems to sink into something of a satin finish on me and I can no longer feel it on my skin. My skin feels well hydrated and plump after it settles and looks really smooth and my pores aren't as obvious. It works fairly quickly IMO. On my neck where I typically don't apply my tread at night I notice the peeling and balling of dead skin on day 1 and on my face where I have a patch of really awful CCs I notice them getting smaller and smoother by around day 3 to 4. I'm going on about 8 days now, and they're barely visible unless I'm right up in the mirror and feel as if they're almost gone when I touch my fingers to that area. A month later, I can tell you, my pores haven't completely disappeared, but are smaller, and have become shallower as well. You can still see them, but I am looking with a super high magnifying mirror. With a primer and makeup, I'm very happy that my nose pores no longer stand out. Number 3. Olay Regenerist Cleansing Brush. Experience a deeper clean and healthier looking skin with this dermatologist-designed facial cleansing brush. It's your secret to radiant skin. It boosts your cleanser's effectiveness for a deep clean, removing makeup and impurities. Choose between 2 speeds for a daily cleanse or gentle exfoliation. Prepare your skin to fully absorb your moisturizer. It primes your skin, maximizing the hydrating effects of your favorite moisturizer. Say goodbye to stubborn makeup. It effortlessly removes even the most hard-to-remove makeup, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. It's safe for in-shower use, making your cleansing routine even more convenient. Enjoy a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. You'll receive 1 cleansing device handle, 2 soft bristle brush heads, and 2 AA batteries, everything you need to start your journey to radiant skin. What we like? It's a cleansing brush that offers a deep clean. It comes with 2 brush heads for varied cleansing. If you want a powerful yet gentle way to cleanse, choose this. What people say. The brush is gentle yet effective, exfoliating my skin and leaving it feeling smooth and refreshed without irritation. The 2 brush heads are a great bonus, one for daily cleansing and one for deeper exfoliation, so I can customize my routine based on what my skin needs. After 1 use I noticed smoother skin and nearly 0 blackheads. It's very easy to use. You can also use it in the shower no problem. After using this my skin felt so clean and soft. Number 2. TAYTHI Blackhead Remover Tool Kit. This kit is designed to help you easily remove blackheads and blemishes. It's a complete solution for clearer skin. It features 5 tools with different sized heads, perfect for tackling various types of imperfections. Each tool is designed for precision and effectiveness. Made from electroplated stainless steel, it's hypoallergenic and suitable for all skin types. It helps prevent skin irritation and sensitivity. The anti-slip handle provides better grip and control, minimizing the risk of skin damage. This ensures accurate and gentle extraction. The kit comes in a compact metal case, keeping your tools clean and organized. It's perfect for travel and on-the-go use. Always ensure your blemishes are mature before using it. Remember to sanitize the tools before and after each use with rubbing alcohol. What we like? This kit includes multiple tools for various blemishes. The stainless steel ensures durability and hygiene. If you need a portable and hygienic solution, this is a great option. What people say. The tools it comes with are of good quality. They are heavier than the one I previously had and do not bend when using them. I really like the little hard silver case these blackhead extractors come in. It looks nice and is good protection for the tools. Inside the case is a nice little liner that has individual indentations for each of the tools. Very nice. The tool itself is gentle on my face, never making me bleed unless I go back over a pore that has already been cleaned out and has no junk left in it. I can get to blackheads I never used to be able to get, with a minimum amount of pressure on my face. Number 1. NuDerma Professional Wand. Experience the future of skincare with the NuDerma Professional Wand. It's a revolutionary device that uses the power of argan and neon to revitalize your skin. This isn't just any skincare tool, it's a Cosmopolitan 2023 Holy Grail Award winner. It harnesses the natural healing power of argan and neon for radiant, healthy-looking skin. With 6 specialized wands, including 3 new argan applicators, it targets different areas of your face and body for a truly customized treatment. It uses high-frequency energy to oxygenate and energize your skin, boosting radiance and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles naturally. Maximize the effectiveness of your favorite serums and creams. It helps them penetrate deeper for better results. From your face to your scalp, it offers specialized applicators for a comprehensive skincare experience. The Y-shaped wand is perfect for hard-to-reach areas, while the comb wand revitalizes your hair and scalp. What we like? It uses high-frequency technology for skin rejuvenation. It comes with various wands for different areas. If you're looking for a professional-grade skin therapy device, this is the one. What people say. The device is easy to use, and I love how it promotes collagen production while improving my skin's texture. After using it a few times, my skin looks brighter and feels smoother. It's also great for reducing puffiness and boosting blood circulation. What I like most about this new therapy for my face is that while I'm applying the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum, I can gently massage it to have a greater effect and absorption in my skin. Skin treatment with neon and argan applicators. Very nice product. I can feel my skin feeling better and healthier and even smoother. It has different types of tubes for different areas and issues on a skin and even comb tube to stimulate hair follicles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.